Grilled chicken salad with dill and lemon is my version of classic comfort food. Grilling the chicken and keeping it chunky adds another layer of flavor and texture. Adding dill and lemon perks up plain old mayonnaise so you'll never have to eat chicken salad paste again. Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, we're making comfort food. We're making a grilled chicken salad with dill and lemon. So let's get started. Chicken salad is one of my favorite comfort foods. But sometimes it gets a little boring, so I like to switch it up. So today, that's why we've grilled the chicken. This recipe uses 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Now I have one here. It's beautifully grilled. How did I get here? First thing I did was I heated up my grill pan. I hit these chicken breasts with salt and pepper, and then I grilled them until they reached 160 degrees Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius internal temperature. Then I pulled them off and let them rest. So they finished at 165 Fahrenheit, which is 74 Celsius. And that's exactly what you want. Then I let them cool down for a whole hour so they got completely cold. And then I diced them into about half-inch, 1.25 centimeter chunks. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you how I did that. It's very, very simple. Got my chicken breast here. I cut into planks like that. Sharp knife, always, and impeccably clean hands always help. And now this way. Pretty simple, huh? And that's that. Now let's put this back in the bowl. Notice, bench scraper, never a knife. Okay. To this bowl of chicken, we're going to add some ingredients. We're going to start with red onion. I have one medium red onion that I've just finely diced. Right in. Next is celery. It's just one rib. Again, I finely diced it. It's going to add a little bit of crunch, a little more texture to the salad. You don't want pasty old salad. You want textures and flavor. Next, the zest of a lemon. Just one lemon, but that's going to reinforce it and make it lemony. Let's get all that out of there. Okay. Just want to give this a little mix now to get these flavors distributed. Let them start to get to know one another. Just like that. All right. Now, we need a little mayo on this, but not just plain old mayo. I've got another bowl here. We're going to start off with 6 ounces or 180 mils of mayonnaise. Your favorite brand. Right in our bowl. All right. Next is our dill. This is 4 tablespoons of chopped fresh dill. You can use dried if you can't get fresh, but do try and get fresh. It really makes a difference. And we're going to add some lemon juice, just the juice of half a lemon. Right in. Oof, it sprayed back on me. That's all right. All right, we're going to give this a mix. Now you've noticed I haven't added any salt and pepper yet. You're probably wondering why. And that's because the chicken is already seasoned and different brands of mayonnaise have different levels of salt. So I want to wait until I get this all combined before I taste it and adjust it. All right, that's all together. Now we're going to pour this onto the chicken. Just like this. How beautiful. All right, now we're going to mix this well. Just to combine it all. All right, this is all combined. Now I'm going to give it a little taste for seasoning. May need a little salt or a little more pepper. The salt is perfect, but I think a little bit more pepper is in order for this. All right, so we'll mix this well. Now I'm going to cover this and put it in the fridge to chill for at least an hour. Then we'll have the real tasting. Here we are. It's been an hour and our salad has chilled down, and I went ahead and plated it for you. I have a couple different options. First, I made myself a nice hearty sandwich on a nice Kaiser roll with some pickles. I love pickles. Now look at this salad. It's chunky. You can see the dill and the red onion. How beautiful is that? Now, maybe you're like me, you're watching what you eat. You can make yourself a lovely little salad plate, a nice little lettuce cup with some tomatoes, maybe a little extra lemon. But it's beautiful and how appetizing. You know, they say the feast begins with the eyes, and it sure does here. Now, it's time for the tasting, and I'm going to make Blair, my Noom coach, very happy. I'm going to only eat the salad and not the great big sandwich. Wow. That is beyond delicious. The grilled chicken, you get that grill flavor. It's still tender and juicy, and it's absorbed the lemon and the dill flavor. Wow, what pops of freshness. And I even got a little piece of celery and onion in there. Nice little added crunch in the background. Delicious. Maybe just a little sip of wine, as always. Wonderful. All right, that is my grilled chicken salad with dill and lemon. So as always, we will see you on Tuesdays for our regular episodes and Fridays for Basic Skills or Cocktail Friday. Now, while I eat my salad, I want you to go ahead and watch some of these recipes and episodes over here. So until next time, cheers.